In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your NinjaTrader Order Flow Footprint chart on NinjaTrader 8. Okay, so this is a different process than adding any other indicators, so you're going to want to pay attention as to where to retrieve this tool and how to set it up. So NinjaTrader has a whole suite of order flow tools that I'll show you right here. So what you do is just go to your indicators and scroll all the way down to where it says order flow. You've got your order flow cumulative delta, your market depth map, your trade detector, your volume profile, and your VWAP. These are all native NinjaTrader tools that you have access to if you're a lifetime license holder of NinjaTrader, or you can also subscribe to these via NinjaTrader as well. And just go to ninjatrader.com, log in, and you can select that as an option to subscribe to. Okay, so you'll notice that one thing is missing from here. You don't have the actual order flow footprint chart. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. We'll just build one from scratch here. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to your command center. Go to New, go to Chart. We can just open up ES is fine. We can open up, let's go ahead with that clean template we just built in our last video with volume. Okay. And then we'll just scroll down here and hit do not plot for the time being. And voila, you've got your clean chart. Never mind the levels on here. That's from a different lesson. But okay, so now you've got your basic chart here. Let me expand this out so we can see what we're doing. Okay, now you're going to want to go back into the data series. Okay, and right now we have it set on a minute chart, a 1 minute chart. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to change that, scroll all the way down to volumetric. And that changes a whole host of things. So let's change this to a 5 minute. And then I'm going to show you the settings that I like on here in a couple different ways. So we'll kind of go through here, and you can customize this as to your heart's content. However you like to have it, you can fix it that way. So chart style, volumetric, chart style type. We'll leave it at bid ask for the time being, and I'll show you another method that I like to use sometimes too. And then you want the center open close bar, correct? You want to show the volume profile on each bar, and then you want to show the volume as well. And the strength sensitivity is just fine. You want to show the imbalance, and you want to change that imbalance for ES to 3. That seems to be a good round number. What that means is that the imbalance, let's say a buy side imbalance, needs to be 3 times as much as the sell side, so that way it gets a highlight. Okay, and that imbalance mode is set to calculate diagonally. All right, and that's pretty standard. Okay, so candle body outline, that's all good. Good. And I like to get rid of the grid. I don't like to have the grid around my candles, so I get rid of that. I don't like to have or the grid in between the numbers. I don't like to have that, so I just change that to transparent. And then the box around there I also change to transparent. And then the rest looks good. Show maximum, good. Hide the text. No, we don't want to do that. Okay, and then we rolled all the way down here to the show bar statistics. Okay, and this is where you can customize the bar stats. You can leave them all on there. You can add all of these to it if you want to. I don't. I keep it very basic. The only thing I really care about are the statistics around is the delta. So I get rid of trades. I get rid of volume, buy volume, sell volume. Delta bar I leave on, delta percentage I take off. I leave the cumulative delta on, and I get rid of the minimum delta, maximum delta, and then I add in the delta change. So I only have 3 things checked. I want to know the delta of the immediate bar. I want to know the cumulative delta of the day so far. And then I want to know the delta change bar to bar. Those 3 things work well for my trading style. Okay, and then we scroll all the way down. The grid on the statistics we can leave just fine. Auto scale, center price on scale, label. Everything else looks good. You can plot the executions. You can do markers only, text and marker. We'll just leave it at do not plot for the time being. And then we'll go ahead and hit apply. Okay, and now you have the basic setup of your order flow footprint chart. You've got the bid side here, which is your sell side. You've got your offer side here, which is the buy side. You got your imbalances, you got the COT, you got your profile, and you got the bar right in the middle. And this just shows buying and selling happening within each price level, within each bar, every 5 minutes. And then your statistics are down here at the bottom. You've got your delta, which is the individual bar. So this bar right here had 524 more aggressive buyers than sellers. The cumulative delta at the close of this bar, we are positive 14,716. So there's 14,716 more aggressive buyers on the day than sellers. And then the change bar to bar. So the last bar was 116. The current the bar before that was negative 116. Then we shifted and moved up to 524. That was a shift of 640, and that becomes pretty a good thing to watch as you're watching bars change, or as you're watching buying and selling change bar to bar. So you've got a big surge, a big push here, initiation happening right here, and then you have delta take off with 2,087. You can watch buyers fade a little bit, and you can watch the change bar to bar. So this bar dropped off 1,029. This bar essentially remained flat, and then this bar dropped off dramatically, a 1,716 shift. So that's a shift from buying to selling, right? And you can see that in the bar right there. It becomes pretty helpful to watch. Okay, so that is your basic bid and offer. That's your standard. It's at least the bellwether, the standard that I have as one of my charts. Now let's go in and show you another style of chart that can be pretty effective. So go back into your data series. You can leave everything else the same, and then we're going to go all the way down to chart style type, where it says bid ask. Change that to delta, and then hit apply. So you'll notice a slight difference in these candles. There's only one column. There isn't a bid and an offer side. This just shows the delta every price level on the way up. And you can really watch buyers start to build and build and build, and then shift to selling. Okay, so it's just a matter of your preference as to how you like to watch orders flow candle to candle, whether you like delta or you like the actual individual bid and offer on each candle. Okay, and there you have it. That's how you set up your NinjaTrader Order Flow Footprint Chart. To learn how to trade order flow, check out my series on order flow trading, and be sure to like and subscribe in the description below.